Hi all, welcome to All-in-One Upload channel. This is part 5 Cosmos Scope Script tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to subtract or exclude rows from one stream that are exist in another stream. Let's flip to Visual Studio. This is the code we have used in previous session to check required input stream is exist or not. If you not watched that video, please go through that video before coming to part 5. Now I am removing this code. Here we will write our code to exclude records from one stream that are exist in another stream. Already I have some input streams. Let's flip to input streams. If you see here, I have two streams. One is employee details, another one is employee details underscore Hyderabad. Let's open these streams. Employee details underscore Hyderabad. In employee details, we have 10 records. Out of 10 records, 4 records having location Hyderabad. Let's sort the records based on location. Yeah. If you see here, these 4 records having the location Hyderabad. And if you see employee IDs 11, 16, 17, 18. These 4 exist in employee details Hyderabad. Let's see employee details Hyderabad stream. In employee details Hyderabad stream, we have 8 records. Out of 8 records, first 4 records exist in employee details stream. Our requirement is we want to exclude records from employee details. Which records are exist in employee details Hyderabad? Means I want to get all the records from employee details except these 4 records because these 4 records are exist in employee details Hyderabad. Let's flip to Visual Studio and write the code. Employee details equal to string. This is the path of employee details string. Another stream is employee details underscore Hyderabad. This is the stream path of employee details Hyderabad. As per our requirement, we should get all the records from employee details, which records not exist in employee details underscore Hyderabad. To get the records from one table, which records not exist in another table, we have to use except operator. What except operator will do is, except operator returns all the rows in the left side row set that are not in the right side row set. Means when you apply except operator between employee details and employee details Hyderabad, it will return all the rows from employee details, which rows not exist in employee details Hyderabad. Okay, let's write code. Select star from employee details except select star from employee details Hyderabad. Okay, let's write output. Here output path. I want to write the output in same path where employee details and employee details Hyderabad streams are exist. .ss. Let's execute the code. Our job has been submitted successfully. One thing here, Here, one thing we must remember. If you apply except operator between two tables schema must be same. Okay. Yeah, our job is running. Job ran successfully. Let's see output. So we write the output where employee details and employee details underscore Hyderabad streams are exist. Let's refresh the path. Employee details underscore filter stream is generated. Let's open. If you see here, we have only 6 records. 4 records which is having the location Hyderabad are not existing because those records are existing in Hyderabad stream as well. So those records are excluded. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.